In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blueprints for tickets in Zoho Desk. A blueprint is a guided workflow that standardizes how tickets move from one stage to another. It helps your team follow the same process every time, reduces errors, and makes your ticket handling auditable and predictable. Let's set one up from start to finish. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Click the official Zoho link to open the site, then sign in with your organization's credentials. If you use single sign-on, follow your usual login flow. Once you're in the Zoho app launcher, choose Zoho Desk from the list of available apps. Inside Zoho Desk, go to the Setup area by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Setup panel, open Automation, then select Blueprints. On the Blueprints page, choose the department you want to build this process for. Blueprints are department-specific, so picking the right one ensures the workflow applies to the correct tickets. Click Create Blueprint. Give your blueprint a clear, descriptive name and a concise description, so admins and agents understand its purpose at a glance. Next, decide which tickets should enter the blueprint. You can include all records, or you can target specific records by defining criteria such as channel, priority, category, or tags. Keep your criteria simple and consistent, especially if you'll have multiple blueprints in the same department. When you're ready, click Next to open the Blueprint Editor. In the editor, drag and drop states onto the canvas. States represent the stages of your ticket lifecycle, such as pending approval, in progress, or resolved. Add only the stages you truly need, and make sure you include your final destination state for closure. Now define how tickets move between those stages. Click and drag from one state to another to create a connection. A small plus icon appears on the line. This marks a transition. Click that plus icon to configure the transition and give it an action-oriented name like Approve Ticket or Escalate, so it's obvious to agents what will happen. Set what must happen around that transition. In the Before Transition section, choose who can perform it and any conditions that must be met, such as specific field values or assignment rules. In the During Transition section, mandate actions the agent must complete, filling required fields, adding a comment, or attaching a file. In the After Transition section, automate follow-ups, like sending email alerts, updating fields, reassigning the ticket, or triggering additional automations. Repeat this for each connection until every path is covered. When the flow looks right and all transitions are configured, click Save and Complete Blueprint. Your blueprint is now ready, and qualifying tickets will follow this guided path for consistent, reliable handling.